Good morning, everyone. Jana here, bringing you the buzz from the crypto cosmos. We have a busy start to this week, so let's dive into it. FTX bankruptcy estate deposited 18 million USD worth render to Coinbase. Unibot got hacked. Please withdraw your funds and revoke access. Binance launched SLP Perp today. Circle to shut down retail accounts. BTC correlation with Nasdaq drop-end below zero. Digital asset investment products saw inflows of $326 million, the largest single week of inflows since July 2022. Bitcoin could see a new gamma squeeze. As asset prices inch closer to a specific target, market makers buy more of that asset to balance their books. This buying can turbocharge the asset's rise, creating a feedback loop for even more buying. Think of it as a financial snowball effect, pushing asset prices upward rapidly. And that, dear viewers, is the essence of a gamma squeeze. If BTC USD moves higher to $36,000, options dealers will need to buy $20 million in spot BTC for every 1% upside move, which could cause explosiveness if we begin to move up towards those levels. Bitfinex placed on UK financial regulators' warning list of unauthorized firms, according to the block. That's it, guys. Have a nice week and don't be the prey. And by the way, you will find useful links in the description.